Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Today I'm hopping on with a summer makeup looks 2023 video. I actually got a palette the other day in my Ipsy box and I have it right here, so I thought it'd be really fun to make a summer makeup look using this palette. I did already wear this palette in a previous video and a lot of you beauties were asking me to show the look that I did in the other video. So now I actually have done quite a few looks with this palette. The other day I did a purple look in my TikTok made me buy it video, and then I had previously did a kind of nude and gold shimmery look using this palette. So let me go ahead and open it up for you beauties and show you. So, well, first of all, the outer packaging is stunning. It is like this quilted rose pink with the gold in the rose gold writing, and it says Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Primrose palette. It is a face and eye palette, so you can use these shadows on your face as well. And you'll see in a moment, if you haven't seen this palette already, it does have right here these beautiful shades, mattes, and then multifaceted shimmers. And then it has these two larger pans which you can use on your face, but you can use them on your eyes as well, and you can use the shimmers on your face as well. So again, I did use these purple tone shades. They are described as berries and plums, but I will be back, and if you want to see a look doing those, just let me know. I did wear that in my video, like I said the other day. A lot of you beauties liked it. So let's just dive right in. Now, I have been priming my eyes lately, either with the P. Louise, which I love, or I actually did put this on already, so I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me get a mirror. Yeah, see, I do have it on already, and it's stunning. It is from MAC. It's the MAC Paint Pot in Laying Low. And this actually, for a summer makeup look, I mean, let's be completely honest here. You could wear this on its own like I have right now, put on some mascara, maybe a little liner, and you are just going to look absolutely gorgeous. And if you want to put a little, because you know, because I'm a makeup addict, put a little gold shimmer maybe right on the lid there. Oh my goodness, you would just look absolutely stunning. But I do want to play with some more of these shades today, so we'll make a full out eyeshadow look. But let me go ahead now. How I apply this, I just take a synthetic flat brush and I just put it on all over. Again, I do have it on already, but I just want to show you. So I'm just gonna concentrate it on this portion of my eye, the front portion, and then flick outwards. So this is just, how gorgeous is that? I really think anybody would look gorgeous just with that on, and you could be ready to go, put some lashes on. So anyway, beauties, let's just dive right into this palette now. Now, beauties, I also did put on today spray tan. I did a tan on my face and my body, so my skin, I didn't wash it off yet. I just put on the initial application, so it might be kind of splotchy. If you see splotchiness, that's what it is, because you know you have to put it on and then wash it off. I haven't washed it off yet. I just put it on. I did use the Dolce Glow, and I had so far a great experience with it. This is the supposedly the spray tan that Miley Cyrus uses, and I believe it's her friend that started the company. But you spray it all over, very easy application, and it has a very nice, light, luxurious scent. And then I did go over with a mitt, but it's pretty smooth. It is actually pretty smooth, and it is even a nice color already. It's just a little splotchy in certain areas, but besides that, it's actually a nice color. And it supposedly washes off on its own and comes off completely and doesn't leave, but I don't know about that. That's just what I heard. That's what I heard other people saying. But they said it just came off after a week and it didn't leave behind like splotchiness and, you know, tanning cream residue, fake tan residue and grossness. So everybody said it just comes right off. So hopefully that will be the case. I'll hop back on and let you guys know. But right now I'm just going to dip into this shade here, which is called Honey. I'm just going to buff this into my eye, and hopefully you can see it's just a beautiful warm tone shade, and it's just absolutely stunning even on its own. It's just beautiful right there. This is another one, because with summer makeup a lot of times you're on the go And, you know, do you need tons of makeup, you know, because, you know, you have your own natural beauty. These are just beautiful shades that just emphasize your natural beauty. You don't really even need to do a whole bunch. That's what's really nice. The colors and the tones in these eyeshadows really brings out your natural, you know, bone structure, your eye color. I'm going to just play with some more colors here and do what I did the other day, but I'm going to take Rouge, which is a deeper shade. I'm just kind of sweeping that inwards. I'm just using the same brush, so it's a really quick and easy summer eye that you can do. And this palette did come out for the holidays. It was described as a holiday palette, but you know, this is perfect for all year. And I gotta reach into these face colors, though I have not done that yet. But that is where we're at with the matte shadows. So absolutely stunning. What do you beauties think? And I'm just going to take some liner now, and I do have this one called Coastal Riche from MAC. And I'm just going to do a little bit of a wing liner. This is a warm brown toned liner, so this isn't black. Generally, I would reach for black, but you know, for the summer, I think less is more. And I'm just going to buff that out with a fluffy brush. This is just, the name has totally come off it. It's either, you know, Morphe or MAC. Just a fluffy brush here. And I'm just, you know, wiggling the brush back and forth so I can blend out that liner. And then you just get a nice smoky effect, but it's not too harsh. And then I'll just bring it back again, just a little bit. What do you guys think? So we'll do the same on the other eye. So I'm just loving that. And now I'm just going to take a small, let's see here, just a very small brush. This is BK Beauty 204. And I'm just going to dip into this shade here called Rose Water. Look at how beautiful that is. You don't need to even cut your crease or anything like that. And actually, I'm going to show you in a moment, when you wet this, it comes out with just the most beautiful foiled effect. So this is just, I mean, you don't even have to do a lot. That's what's great, because I think, you know, in the summer, I'm just going to wet this so we can get the foil effect. But I'm just using my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. But with summer makeup, aren't you like, or if you guys are like me, it's like you're always on the go in the summer. You're always on the run. So you know, you got to get ready quick, or you're at the beach and you just want to put on a quick eye. You know, you just want to get ready quick and easy in the summer, I feel like. What do you guys think? But do you guys see how gorgeous is that? In seconds. That's what's amazing about these shadows, is that you can actually create the most beautiful eye look for yourself in literally seconds, and without a lot of work. And like it says on the Anastasia website, you don't need to have a makeup artist. You can be your own makeup artist with these shadows, because they're so beautiful and they're so easy to, you know, apply and make looks with. So actually, I'm gonna smudge a little bit of this shade here, Mango. Let's smudge some of that under the lower lash area. Now, I love to apply liner in my waterline, but that's going to make a more smoky-eyed effect. So depending what kind of look you want, if you want your eyes to look bigger, then don't put the liner in your waterline. But if you want them to look more sultry and maybe more sexy and things of that nature, then you can go ahead and put the liner in your water, you know, put some down there in your waterline. So it's just a different look. So what do you guys think of the look so far? Do you guys see how easy that was to create this look? And now I've got to show you, I've been loving this, and let me just grab it. But I've been using my Pat McGrath. This is the Dark Star mascara, and I've been wearing this to the beach, to the lake. It's been 100 degrees out, and it has not budged. It has not smudged on my face. I can't believe it, because all of the other mascaras that I had used previously, I'm just going to curl my lashes real quick. They would always get, I put it down to my hooding, but they would always get in my hooding. They would wind up getting all over my face, even waterproof ones. or they wind up splashing all over your face and it's just a mess. But this one from Pat McGrath is, honest to God, I was so shocked when I wore it a few times now to the lake, and it stayed put. I was out in the sun. I was actually paddleboarding. I was exercising. I was sweating for hours and it did not come off and it didn't get onto my face. I was so shocked, you guys. I really couldn't believe it because my whole life that has not been my experience. Mascara, for some reason, I like I said, I always put it down to my hooding. I figured the hooding was getting stuck in the lashes or something. But as you can see here, it even just comes out with the perfect amount of product. So it doesn't even, it's not transferring onto my face. It's not splashing onto my face. So normally a lot of mascaras would already be getting in my hooding, getting all over my face, if you know what I mean. And this mascara is so stunning that you actually don't even feel like you need fake lashes, which is another thing. I always was feeling like I needed fake lashes, which if it's the summer and you're in a hurry and you're on the go and you're traveling, you don't have really time to put on fake lashes, right? So this mascara though gives you the fake lash, the faux lash effect without having to put on fake lashes. And you just wind up feeling so good about yourself. You wind up feeling, you know, just more put together because look at these lashes. I mean, these lashes make you feel, you know, really good about yourself. So what is better than that? And you know, this is right now I'm putting on 3 coats because I just love it. But you know, you can put on as many as you feel comfortable with. But I just think this mascara is perfection. I couldn't wait to come and tell you about how I just think it's especially for the summer, it's a perfect summer mascara because it's not going to get on your face. It's not gonna, and it stays put. It's budge proof mascara for sure. So let me just blend out the edges here. And then, okay, I do want to try this because I have not tried the face products yet. And I do want to try this as a highlighter. And I have a beautiful summer lip to show you guys. So now I haven't tried this yet. So hopefully I have a good experience. But because it looks a little warm toned for my complexion. But I'll just try a little bit. This is called Saddle. And I'll just try this, see if it's a little warm for me. Maybe I'll just, it's nice though, but, ooh, it's really warm. Wow. I gotta blend that out. But what do you guys think? Now, I do want to try this. Let's try this blush here. Let's try this shade, actually, Grapefruit, as a blush. So, let me see. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful as a blush. For my skin tone, if you have a skin tone like mine, I'm not sure if it would show up, how it would show up on a deeper tone. And I'm just going to wet my face really quick with my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist just to, you know, help everything look more cohesive and blended and just more dewy and radiant and luminous. So now I do have this pencil here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Cool Brown, and I just want to show you, I think this is such a gorgeous summer lip and I've been wearing it and loving it. This is Cool Brown. And then here is the Pat McGrath Lip Shine in Nude Venus. Love this so much. Feels totally weightless, moisturizing, conditioning on your lips. And let me go ahead and show you. So it actually feels like just the most incredible lip balm, but it has this beautiful shade and this beautiful tone to it. And I'll just bring back a little bit of the lip liner. You guys, I love this lip, and this is very long lasting, the ABH lip liner. And actually I forgot, I wanted to try that eyeshadow as a highlighter. So actually I'm going to dip into Sparkling Amber. And I'll just put a little tiny bit. Let's see here. Well, that really is beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. How gorgeous is that? Anastasia needs to like remarket this palette for the summer. This is definitely a summer palette. I'll just put a little tiny bit. So beauties, this is the finished look for my summer eyeshadow look 2023. I think this is such a gorgeous palette for summer. Actually, the face products, the face makeup I love as well. Just be very careful because it is extremely pigmented, and these shimmers do make a gorgeous highlight as well, but also again just be very careful. Just use the tiniest bit. And how gorgeous is this lip from Anastasia? Cool brown and Pat McGrath lip shine products. Amazing. Oh my goodness. So thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today. Let me know what you think of today's look. Let me know any looks that you'd like me to create in the future. I would love to do that. And beauties, we are having a giveaway today, so I am going to try to have a giveaway every day now. So if it's not in the video, I'll post it on the community tab. So because I would love to, I have so much stuff I have to get to you beauties. So today's giveaway, let me grab it. So today's giveaway is for the Juvia's Place. This is the new, this is like a clapper brush blush. This is called the Blushed Rouge, and this is a blush duo. And then I also have here for the giveaway the new Juvia's Place liquid blush. And beauties, wait till you see this. This is a beautiful Pat McGrath. Let me try to get a good picture for you guys. This is a beautiful Pat McGrath tote bag. So perfect for the summer. You could put your stuff in and go to the beach, go wherever, go to the lake, go have fun, go shopping, just go have coffee, you know. And so this is today's giveaway. I'm going to have lots of giveaways. Like I said, I'm going to try to have a giveaway every video from now on. So it'll be hidden somewhere in the video, beginning and middle, you don't know. So make sure you watch. And also all the giveaways are for subscribers, for the Glam Fam here, my Glam Fam that I love so much, you beauties. So be a subscriber to take part in today's giveaway and all of our future giveaways. Comment hashtag Glam Fam down below, and also give this video a thumbs up so I know you like this kind of content, or if you don't like it, then go ahead and let me know as well. But if you like these kind of videos, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know. And if you like this giveaway, give me a thumbs up. I will have this eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills linked with the new Shop with YouTube feature. It is so much fun to shop with YouTube, and all you have to do now is actually, there'll be a little bar on the bottom of the video, and you just click on it and you can shop this video directly. How exciting is that? And so definitely shop with YouTube and take advantage. They do have a lot of coupons with Shop with YouTube, special offers. So when you click on the product featured in today's video and all my future videos, you'll see if there are any kind of coupons or promo codes, because they are exclusive to YouTube and to us in the Glam Fam. So definitely take advantage. You could save so much. Buy one get one, 20% off. There's so many great coupons to be had with Shop with YouTube. So anyway beauties, I hope you dolls are all doing good. I will be announcing the winner and picking the winner very soon. Check in the comments, because that is where I will tag the winner, and this way you'll know that you won. So check back to see if you won in the comments tomorrow. So anyway beauties, I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.